The United States will withdraw from the Paris Climate Accord.
Every year, climate change strikes harder and harder, but it keeps getting denied by people all over the world. In a time when world leaders take a step back in the global warming efforts, we brought the consequences of global warming into people's daily lives. The Nature Conservancy presents Products of Tomorrow. A Facebook web store made of products created from a realistic picture of the future on Earth. Each product was launched with a sensorial film exploring the bright side of a dystopian world. Water is life. Remember freshness. With the new water from local acidic rain. People can pre-order the products with an estimated date to be delivered based on a real projection of what may happen on Earth in the next decades. By pre-ordering, they're helping to share the Nature Conservancy message. Products of Tomorrow reached 30 million people in the first 2 months and made people envision that climate change doesn't only affect the way we see our planet, but also the way we live our lives. Products of Tomorrow, life as it was.